Customers speak of Mr. Manish Agarwal about ERP and CBS services. He is the MD of Fortune Marketing Private Limited.
I am Manish Agarwal from Fortune Marketing Private Limited, based out of New Delhi, with our offices spread all across the country. Fortune predominantly is an IT hardware distribution company which started way back in 1994, and starting from Delhi it spread to other parts of the country. So 2005 was the time, 2005-2006 was the time where we started expanding into our product portfolio and expanding into other regions as well. So in 2006 we were appointed by a US multinational company, Seagate, as they're one of the distributor in India to carry complete portfolio of their product. So that was the time where we were facing a lot of challenges in terms of getting an integrated report from all our offices, because till that time they were operating on individual accounting softwares operating at each locations. That time we had 10 branch offices. So then we felt the need for an integrated system wherein we'll have a complete MIS available to us online. So we approached Cognition Business Solution and asked them to study our system and recommend a suitable solution. So in December 2006 was the time where we finalized our arrangement with Cognition, and from 1st January 2007 they started implementing the system. And it was probably one of the fastest implementation in the history of Ramco, wherein all our 10 branch offices went live on 1st April 2007. I thank Cognizant for the kind of effort and involvement shown by their team in having our system up and running within 3 months' time. As far as the value which the product added to our overall operation, it gave us a complete integrated top view of our organization in terms of managing our inventory, having access to transactions online as it's happening. It helps us in improving our cash flow grossly, and in turn overall reducing the requirement of cash in the business. In terms of we were able to speed up our whole supply chain by quite a few days. And Cognition played a major role in terms of initially implementing the product in our organization, training our team and rolling it effectively. And we are happy to say that we are till now associated with Cognition. They are managing our system, and they have deployed dedicated resource at our site to handle the day-to-day operation of the system. Thank you.